in terms of quality production, and we have now established our own boutique range of chocolate under the name Koko Loa. Where does Koko Loa comes from? Well, as you know, the myth of Samoa is that Samoa's first kings were the Tagaloa Langi. The Tagaloa Langi means that he was a king at the time of heaven and earth. And there's a connection there because Koko Loa, our brand name, suggests that this best chocolate in the world is from the heavens. Why? Well, as I've told you the history, we started a chocolate factory at Moata very successfully, but it got burned down. Then we started in 2012, but Evans came and also destroyed the factory. And you'd think anybody else would give up? Tagaloa Langi said, no, continue to do it. So today, you are witnessing the launch of Koko Loa. The name brand Koko Loa, Tagaloa never gives up. He's the guy that runs around on heaven and earth, and that's why he wanted me to deliver best chocolate from Samoan cocoa from the heavens. And that's why when you take it, heaven sent.